Sauteing some onions. Pre-packaged Thai noodles. And some mahi-mahi. There's our sauteed onions, garlic, and ginger. Having some coffee with dinner. Just like that. My simple meal. I got onions, garlic, ginger, mahi-mahi, and some Asian noodles. And of course, I can't have a meal without some hot sauce. Not a lot of people realize this, but this is vinegar and salt other than the pepper. So that's why we love hot sauce so much. So we're doing these meals and talks. So today, my talk. What's on my mind? I'm trying to carry a positive message, by the way. Put it out there in the world. But I saw the headline of a video that said, why only 2% are successful? And they were talking about rich people. Why only 2%, hold most of the world's money? But that just rubbed me the wrong way. It's like, well, who gets to decide what is successful? My definition of successful is I finished what I started. I started cooking dinner and I finished. I'm success. I'm gonna eat this, and if I can eat it all, I'm a success. I probably shouldn't eat it all. That's a huge plate. Anyway, and I started out to make myself a cup of coffee. Success. I'm gonna make this YouTube video. Hopefully that will be a success. So what's your idea of success? I was watching an interview with an actor. He's a famous actor. And he said he goes back to his old neighborhood and his old friends and were jealous. Oh, I wish I was a big shot actor. And he said, but did you go to college and take the communication classes and theater and poetry and all the classes he took? And no. Did you join acting troupes and apply yourself for audition for plays? No. He said, so how could you want to be a famous actor and not do any of the things that famous actors have to do to become famous actors? And that struck me. That's everything. Oh, I want to be rich. Yeah, sure. I want to be the 2% successful. Bull crap. I don't want that. I would have to go to college, hobnob with all those people. Probably they work insane amounts of hours and they're all into finance and whatever. So that's just not for me. That's not for everybody. And the world needs ditch diggers too, Those ditches aren't going to dig themselves. I like to see Bill Gates dig a ditch. I would laugh at him because it would be hysterical. He wouldn't be able to do it. So without us, the working class, those guys are useless anyway. And it reminds me of something I read during the Dark Ages. The royalty, the rich, they were burying their gold to hide it, hoping things would get better. And the point of the story is a pound of gold couldn't buy you a chicken. It couldn't buy you a sack of potatoes. Gold became useless during the Dark Ages. And the farmers and the hunters, they were the wealthy. They became the rich. They were the ones that could provide food. So that's kind of where I'm at. Just change your perspective on life. And you are a success. I raised my children. I did a horrible job, but they didn't die. So, and I didn't really raise them. If they were solely dependent on me, they probably would have died, but that's a whole nother story. But you get the point. Measure your success by what you're doing. Is your day starting out with, I need to get up and get a shower and get myself to work, and you you're a success if you can do that. And if you can make it all the way to Friday and get a paycheck, success for you. So learn how to measure your success, and don't measure yourself against others. You know, when would that ever be enough? That wanting, want more, more, more. Well, when you got Bill Gates money, when you got Forbes money, when you got Warren Buffett money, where? When you have all the money in the world and then money becomes useless because you have it all? You get my point. So just be happy with what you had. And something else I heard that I love, it's in my brain all the time, is remember when you wanted what you have now. So let me get back to dinner. Bye, guys.